Because of the pandemic, most students are forced to buy second-hand computers. There are times when the Wi-Fi connection is slow, so some are making a simple wired connection of their computers directly to the modem. But how are we going to create network cable if we don't have enough idea on how to do it? So this video would serve as a guide to create one of the most popular network cable. Hello everyone, I'm Jeffrey Antonico Diaz and you're watching The Significance of Old School Technology. Network cables are necessary to connect and transfer information between network devices such as computers, routers, and storage systems. The computers and cables on a permanent network stay connected and in place at all times. Network cables are similar to veins in the human body. They are carriers that allow data to flow from one place to another. Network cables are the infrastructure of multinational companies. But before we start to create a simple network cable, let's talk about the following terminologies. Cables. It is the oldest and most commonly used type of transmission medium that is used to create a simple network to link computers together. Category 5 cable, also known as Cat5, is a twisted pair cable for computer networks. Category 6 cable, also known as Cat6, is a standardized twisted pair cable for Ethernet and other network physical layers that is backward compatible with the Category 5, 5E, and Category 3 cable standards. RJ45 connector. It is commonly known as a registered jack 45 connector and is made up of 8 pins where 8 copper cords are connected. It is frequently utilized for Category 5 and Category 6 wires and has two different standards, named T-568A and T-568B. Unshielded twisted pair cable. It is the most popular type of cable used to build new networks. Shielded twisted pair cable. It is similar to an unshielded twisted pair cable, except that it includes a protective metal or foil covering. T-568A and T-568B are the two color codes used for wiring 8-position RJ45 modular plugs. ANSI TIA-568 was developed through the efforts of more than 60 contributing organizations, including manufacturers, end users, and consultants. Work on the standard began with the Electronic Industries Alliance to define standards for telecommunications cabling systems. EIA agreed to develop a set of standards and formed the TR42 committee with 9 subcommittees to perform the work. The work continues to be maintained by TR42 within the TIA. EIA no longer exists, hence EIA has been removed from the name. The first version of the standard, TIA EIA 568, was released in 1991. The standard was updated to Revision A in 1995 and Revision B in 2001. The demands placed upon commercial wiring systems increased dramatically over this period due to the adoption of personal computers and data communication networks and advances in those technologies. The development of high-performance twisted pair cabling and the popularization of fiber optic cables also drove significant change in the standards. Here is an example of a network cable included in the package of a prepaid internet. So let's try to check what kind of network cable it is. Based on this cable tester, the network cable is an example of a straight-through cable. Now that we are about to create a simple network cable, we are not particular about its length because our main goal here is to create a functional network cable. So I'm about to recycle some used network cables for demonstration purposes. In this activity, we're going to create a straight-through cable T-568A wiring standard. Based on this cable tester, the network cable is a straight-through cable. Now, let's try swapping the connector into the port. As you can see, the cable is in good condition. That's all for now, and hope you learned this technique. See you in the next part of this video. May God bless us. Have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe.